So today we're just going to start by taking some notes on compound interest. So the formula for compound interest is A, which is just the amount, equals P 1 plus R N. So we have to figure out what each of these terms means. The A is the amount of money, just the amount of money. Then we have the P, and the P is the principal amount. Besides principal, this amount can also be known as the initial amount. Okay, then we have R. The R is the rate of interest annually. So put rate. And we'll make sure to say annual. Okay, then all we have left is our N. Our N is the number of years that the amount is deposited or borrowed for. So we'll do number of So that's just the number of years the amount is held for. So the A, we're looking for the total amount of money. The principal amount is the initial amount, what we started with, what we put in the bank first. The rate is the rate of interest, so how much money you would gain annually each year. And then the N is just how many numbers of years you kept the account. So then we need to talk about how it varies if we're compounding annually, quarterly, monthly, how that happens. So what if our interest is paid more frequently? So we can call this frequent compound of interest. Okay. So here we're going to say annually, and that means once per year. So this equation would vary slightly. So annually, these equations would vary, but this one, because it's just kind of the regular one, it's not going to vary at all. So we'll say P times 1 plus R. And that's all that we're going to have for annual compounding. Then for quarterly compounding, we're going to change it up. So P 1 plus R over 4 to the fourth. And that's for quarterly, and we can remember that because quarterly is 4 times per year. So we can remember that that's why we use the 4s. Then monthly. So for monthly, it's very similar to quarterly. We're going to do the principal value multiplied by the rate divided by 12 to the 12th. So we can remember monthly because there are 12 months in a year, which is why there's 12 there, and the 4 is why we use 4s. So this is a start to compounding interest.